To make an observation in the app, click the observe icon at the bottom with the little camera, and this will open your phone camera. To take a photo, press the green circle, and then hit next. To add another photo, tap the box with the plus sign next to the photo you just took, and this will let you take another image. Now tap What Did You See? And this will bring up a list of species that the app is suggesting it might be. So you can look through this list and pick one. Or you can hit the blue circle with the eye to find out more information. This will give you a map where you can zoom in and see if this species has been seen anywhere else in the area. And this is helpful to find out if what you've seen is in the range. Because if it isn't, it's likely not that species. So we'll go back. And you can also type and look up a species by name using the common or scientific name. And you can select one from there. And you can fill in the notes. You can note if it was blooming or healthy, or if it looked like it was not doing so well. Now, geoprivacy is letting people know where you took the photo. So open is anyone can see it, obscured is within a 2x2 degree cell, and then private means no one can see it. You can note whether it was captive or cultivated. This was growing at a park, so it's cultivated. Now, if you've already joined the EcoFlora project, you don't have to add your observation to it every time. This is only for something called traditional projects, so you don't really have to worry about that right now. I just wanted to show it to you. And then you click Share, the big green button at the bottom, and it uploads your observation. So you can also upload existing photos that you have by tapping that photo icon on the bottom right, and upload photos from your camera roll, and it works the same way. You choose what you think you saw and then hit share, and it will upload your observation. If you click on any observation, you'll see a map where you made the observation, if it needs ID, if anyone has suggested an ID or commented or favorited your observation. Now if you click the top right and hit edit, you can change any information about your observation. You can also add photos, you can adjust the location on the map. If it wasn't quite right, you can go back in and change that. You can also, again, change your geoprivacy. And you can also delete observations here. Something worth noting, the green cogwheel in the top right is your settings, and this is where you can change your email address and things like that, but also automatic upload is located here. Now you can turn this off so that your observations don't automatically upload, and this is good if you're watching your cell phone data and you want to only upload when you're on Wi-Fi. And last but not least, if you want to share your observations with friends and family, you can tap on any observation and click this share icon in the top right, and you can send it over messages or email or even Facebook.